Today I'm showing you how to make an immune-boosting turmeric smoothie, but instead of making it in my regular Vitamix container, I'm making it in Vitamix's brand spanking new stainless steel container. This container is odor and stain resistant, making it perfect for this turmeric smoothie. Add 1 cup of non-dairy milk along with 2 cups of frozen pineapple and 1 banana. You can use fresh or dried turmeric and ginger. I'm using fresh today, so I'll grate 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of ginger. Then I'll add the lid, blend it up, and 30 seconds later I've got a cool and refreshing anti-inflammatory smoothie to enjoy. This delicious recipe is now on my website, and for all of my Vitamix lovers, you can find this new stainless steel container over on Vitamix's website. Oh, and by the way, it is dishwasher safe.